Hello guys, today I'm working on this older Stihl 028 AV, and someone put a Chinese piston on it and they didn't do it right. The boot was not connected properly, so it's got all this scoring and scuff marks on it. It's just no good. So I'm gonna replace it with this OEM Stihl piston with the back and the pin, the clip. The cylinder is doing okay. Nothing wrong with that. So first, let's get the old piston off. So to get the old piston off, I'm gonna use some of these little pliers. I'm just gonna remove the pin, or the clip, out of there. Here it is. Put that aside. And remove the other clip. Here it is. And then you need to get the piston pin out. Just push it out. It's not that hard. And as you can see, this is the old piston. It's totally gone. It just has ran maybe an hour, but someone didn't connect the intake boot right. So that's gone. Now we're gonna put this piston in. It's an OEM Stihl 026 piston, 44 millimeters, but it will fit my cylinder. So I hope this is not going to be a fail, but you will see. So when I was about to put the piston in, I just looped this and looped the connecting rod bearing and the pin, but then I was going to put it over and it just won't fit. There is not enough room. The connecting rod is too big. As you can see, put the older piston right there. Stay. It's just not going to fit. This is really disappointing. And if you look there, just the 021 is way higher. So the timing will be changed and everything. So it just won't fit. It's not cool, but shit happens. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I will get just another Chinese one, put it on. Well, I don't know. I got this other 026 around here. There it is. And I don't know if it needs a piston. It probably doesn't. The compression is good. And I don't know what I'm going to do. But I hope you liked it. And I will be back soon, because I have an MS 331 to repair. Hold on. Here it is. It also needs a new piston. Cylinder is just okay. I ordered the piston, but wait, it also needs a new crankshaft, because someone has run it with no oil. And the connecting rod is all blue, as you can see. And the bearing inside here is just shattered. It will turn free now, but if you do this for a long while, it will just go bad. So you may have to see, you may get to see this one rebuilt. Until next time.